right there, right on that, under that bird.
There they are, yeah?
Yep, I just saw him come up.
Came up right under that bird. Yeah,
See him? See him?
There they are.
Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I assume you did so because you want to see some Alby fishing, and man, that's what you're about to get. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because you'll see one of the wildest things that's ever happened to me while I've been on the water. It's pretty interesting. So thanks so much for joining, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Right there, boys. Oh, they're big ones, man.
Yep.
They're big. They're big. Someone's gonna get one on.
Yep, right here.
Those are big boys, man, like footballs. You gotta push this up on them. You got hit?
Something, yep.
You're on, bud.
Yep.
He's on. Well, you know, I think we're on each other. You got hit through that? No, I think I'm. No, I'm on you. You're up.
You're free.
Okay, so take your time, enjoy that one.
Alright, and I just want to note that I'm including most of this fight here, but throughout the video I'm not going to show every minute of every Alby because then the video would be 2 hours long and you wouldn't want to watch the whole thing. So, you know, they do take quite a bit of time to tire out, and that's just the nature of Alby fishing.
You've never seen one, right? No. See how beautiful he is. Who's running and gunning today?
They're still out there busting.
We'll get this one in, we'll go right back into them. We're going to follow them around all morning. Take your time, bud. You're too strong. They want to go. Unbelievable. Yeah, man. Yeah, you're going to love these fish. Nothing to do with us. Wow. Unbelievable. Yeah, baby. Look at him go. I saw the pot there, not small one. Look where he just went on you. Jesus Christ. I love it.
There, that should tire him out.
Gee whiz. Who's going to tire first?
Right?
There you come.
Maybe. They see the boat and
Yeah.
they don't want anything to do with it.
Well, there's a...
Oh, he popped off right there.
We gotta get another one.
All right.
That's all right. I see him. Keep following. Okay?
Ah.
Another one. That's all right. We're gonna get him. Let's go. We gotta find them. Where are they?
Alright, so the first Alby of the day didn't quite make it into the boat, but that's okay because there are going to be plenty more.
Oh, I crossed you. No, I'm under you. All right, I'll stay down. I'm on.
Atta boy. There you are. Dude, just smoke that thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, Dad, keep casting off the front there, man. They're right up there.
right there.
You're like the snacks you're throwing out there, baby.
You got to move it really fast.
Yeah, fast,
Skip
right?
it right across the top of the water.
Yeah, I may not be feeling it quick enough.
Yeah, so we were talking about retrieve speed there a little bit, and it's really important when you're Alby fishing, and let me explain why. I think that lures will get fish to bite for one of two reasons. Either the lure does a really great job of mimicking actual bait fish and looks extremely lifelike, or the lure will obscure what it actually is by creating a thrash on the water or by moving very quickly, and it incites a reactionary bite from the fish. And that's exactly what we're doing when we're Alby fishing. So Albies are very fast and they have excellent eyesight. So moving that jig through the water, skipping it across the top almost as fast as you can reel is your best bet.
Got that bastard. There he is. Look at that beautiful. That's a beauty. How gorgeous is that?
Come on. come on up.
Yeah, look at that, Dad. Check this fish out. Look how beautiful this is. These are the best looking fish out there, man. Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Is that beautiful or what? One more shot and I got it, dude. Come on up.
Jesus.
Look, Dad, right here. Come up here and catch. Good, flip it out there. Right in, put it right in. Yep. No, real quick, right over the top. Yep. There you go, let it sit. There you go.
Oh.
You're on. You got him?
He came up for it. I saw him.
Yep, throw it again. Throw it again. Right here. Put it down. Watch the holes and everything.
Oh, here we go.
You had to hit that, huh?
I'm gonna tighten up on him a little bit. Is that right?
Fatty, dude. Now we're look at that beautiful fish. Don't get better than that.
Nope.
Yes, I'll right that behind you, Dad.
All right.
All right, so that's the first Alby of the season in the boat, and these fish are going to stick around for us and make for a pretty fast-paced morning. And right here is a good look at the retrieve. You can see how fast I'm reeling, and then you can also see that lure kind of skipping through the water.
Someone's gonna get hit. That a boy. You would have gone.
All right.
You got him? That a boy.
And I'm out here with my buddy Glenn, who I'm sure you've seen in other videos, and he's got his dad with him today, so he's hooked up with his first Alby.
Behind us. They're really everywhere.
Yeah, they really are.
Awesome. They're everywhere. They weren't kidding. You got a big beast on there, huh? Yeah, he came the other way full speed on you. It felt like he came off, right? You like that? You want to knock it out of his mouth. Got him. Good? That's a fatty.
All right.
Look at the hook. You want to talk about just one more hard pull and he was coming off.
Nice.
Let's go get another one. Yeah. Yeah, I got a rag play. Wow.
So take a look at the dark spot in the water right where I'm casting. That's actually the Albies. They were blitzing in this area just as we were pulling up, and then they went under, and you do have a small window of time in which you can still get them before they start moving again.
Come on.
Got a boy. Come on. Got a boy.
And for those of you interested in the gear that I'm using, my reel is a Shimano Stella SW4000, and I've got it spooled up with Daiwa J-Braid Grand, and it's 30 pound in this video. And then the rod is a G Loomis IMX Pro Blue, and this is the 84.3 SF model.
Smoke.
I don't think this guy knows he's hooked yet.
No, he don't even know. His time's coming, G. His time's coming.
Alright, so this fish is about to go a little bit crazy, and like most other fishing, you're going to want to stay in contact with the fish and keep him pinned to the hook. But, you know, these Albies have a tendency to run towards you at extremely high speed, so it's really important, you'll see me doing it here, to pick up that slack as fast as you can and get back in contact with the fish, just so it doesn't have an opportunity to spit the hook or shake the hook, and, you know, it just keeps it tight. So it's a good thing to note.
Look where he's going. He's going 50 miles an hour in two different directions at the same time. Can't follow him. He doesn't know what's looking for. He going at you? Yeah, look at him go. Nothing better. Putting that gear to the test. There he is. Big one. Shit. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a monster.
All right.
Holy shit, dude. It's a monster. That is a monster.
Not bad.
Look at that fish. Yeah. That looks like a bonita, man. That don't even look like a false Alby. That's what you had too. Wow. That is a big fish, dude. Nice, man. That size, that way. You need the pliers? Yep.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful fish, man.
Yep.
Good job.
All right.
Get another one. Easy, easy.
Oh, geez, right here.
Oh my God, right behind the boat to your left.
And of course, they pop up in one direction as soon as you cast in the opposite.
Come on, get in here.
I'm right on.
Yeah, you got him.
I think I got him.
Dude.
Smashed it. This is a good fish, yeah. Enjoying himself out there.
And Glenn is hooked up here, and this fish took its sweet time coming to the surface, so I did edit out a little bit of the fight.
That's a good one.
They're built for crushing anything in their path.
All right, so that was Alby number 4, and we've all hooked up at this point, and we're just going to keep chasing these blitzes around because they are all around us.
You're on?
Oh, mine's off. Oh, you see that? He's like, nope. Nope.
There you go.
One bites the dust.
Come on.
Gone?
Nah, I came off.
Put one in there. Holy shit, right in.
Yep.
You all gonna get hit. Doubled up.
Come on.
Tripled up. Triple mayhem. All hell just broke loose, guys. Holy shit, balls are tripled up. What just happened? See what happened, D?
We got him.
We did it. Make sure mine's not breaking.
And if you notice, just as fast as that blitz kind of popped up for us, you know, as soon as we got near it, it disappeared. And that's pretty typical of Alby behavior, and it's also why you kind of have to chase these fish around. It's not a fish that you can really, you know, go to a spot and kind of blind cast for. You kind of have to know that they're in the area to get them. So again, that's why it requires that you cover a lot of ground. So it is cool to do it in the kayak because then you've got stealth on your side and you're not going to spook them. You can get a lot closer. But again, it's pretty challenging to cover the amount of water that we do on the boat.
Yep.
Put in the work. That was ridiculous. Wow. Right there. That's right behind you if you need it over here. Here. There's one there for you.
Oh, Jesus.
I can net yours. Mine's out there pretty far. Yours off? Oh, definitely. He's looking. Nice. Took the whole rule off. Oh, he took it. Snapped the whole. All right, we'll get you another one on. Yeah. Wow. Cut the whole braid and everything. I'll get you another one on. We'll get him. Put the whole fucking thing. Yep. Little bitch.
Come on.
Here, tie in. I'll tie in. Right over here. Yeah. Yeah, that broke the braid. Huh? Break the leader. Yeah, it broke everything, yeah. You know, when ours touched, it might have weakened yours a little bit.
All right.
Nice fish. You know what, Dad?
Thank you.
When they were running, I think mine burnt almost weakened yours. Huh? Mine might have.
Powerful fish, man.
Right? Nothing get better than that. Unbelievable. Everything. I think our lines might have crossed. Maybe just the way they were running.
Okay, so what you're about to see is pretty nuts. I'm not going to do a lot of narration, and I'll just let you enjoy it.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, baby. That's a screamer. Go gadget fishing arm. That was right out the boat.
Yeah, he followed it right to the boat. Let me come down here.
Yeah, boy.
Can I go by you here? Jesus.
Right? That was awesome.
Man, this one's pissed off.
Pissed. You caught him mid-stride on his way to the
He was going to eat.
nice happy breakfast. Animal. Look at that.
Yeah.
What footage? What footage? We got footage for days.
Here he is.
Oh, whose line is that? Is that yours wrapped around it?
I got him hooked. You get him?
It's funny.
What?
You got him in the tail. Your lure's not even on him.
Jesus, that's why.
The lure's out there, bro. He almost cut his tail off. Oh, look at that. What happened?
No shit.
You just got caught in the fucking line. You see something new every day. Look at the color. That's a different. See this here?
That's pretty.
See?
No way.
Yeah, wait, man. Your lure's out in the water. This thing fucking got him like a. Oh, you got another fish on. Wait, is there? I thought you had another fish on there too. Holy shit! No. Is there no... Wait. Do you have one on? Watch your hand, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. All right, let it go. Yeah. So we don't. Oh,
Jesus.
watch, don't cut your. Hold on. Use a glove.
I got caught up on this Alby
Yeah.
with
Watch your hand.
Oh, look at it.
There's another fish on too. I just don't want to get the braid. It'll slice right to my bone, man. Yep, you got a fucking Alby on there, bro. Where is it? Boy, I got it there good, buddy. Oh shit. You know what, brother? Hold on. Such is life, man.
Sorry, dude.
Shit, bro. I never seen nothing like it. I can't tell where it cut. It's like stuck in it. That's crazy. They're digging that deep and it's almost like. He got tied up good.
get this off.
Yeah, we will. Oh, I got an idea.
Hold
What
on.
if I cut the fin right down to where the braid is? Go and
I almost
slide.
got it. Almost got it.
Yeah, when we cut that shorter, this a little shorter, so it'll come off.
Hold on.
They'll get deep. You know what I mean?
Yeah, can you cut
Yeah,
that?
yeah, I don't want to cut that, so just watch your hand now.
Let me see. I just gotta see, like, what the fuck?
Right, I mean, we've seen it all. We
Okay.
get like 2 pliers.
Oh, hold on. Almost got her now.
Oh yeah, you do. Yeah, you do, brother. Yeah, you do, brother. I see the light. I see the light. Dude, that cut right into that fucker. You're right.
There we go.
You got it. We're giving ourselves a nice test of our skills here.
That's insane.
Now look, this went in the lure. This went in the fucking lure.
The angler clip?
Yep.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
See it. I'll get it out. I got it. We've done it all. It's almost there. And let there be life, brother.
Okay. Jeez.
And the fish still on that one. Yeah, still there on that one. That's crazy. That's awesome. Hey, we did it.
That'll make some good video.
You had that.
Yeah.
That'll be epic. I wonder if that's anyone ever experienced anything quite like that. He got wrapped real good.
Yep. It was funny. It had to have been after the this one bit because
Yeah, he wants to cross paths, but it's interesting that it wrapped on him like that.
Wait, look at this.
Wait, another one?
No, he's just all tangled up. Wait, there we go. Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Got him. He's a fatty too.
Yeah. Okay.
And the line cut his tail, huh? Yep, right down to the bone.
that's crazy, man. All right, let's go get some more.
Do it. That was interesting. Bye.
All right, so that was by far the wildest thing that's happened to me while I've been Alby fishing. I literally could not believe that I had an Alby on and tail hooked that like that. But I guess that's the kind of thing that happens when you're out there on the water. So it was pretty cool. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this whole video. I really do appreciate the support. And if you want to see more content like this, click one of the videos on your screen now, and you can head over to my channel. And if you like it, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.